Guys, welcome to Codeamy.in, and in today's video we will learn how to install an online compiler to your Android smartphone. So without waste time, let's get started. First of all, you open the link in the description given below. Tap on the link and you can see the view. After tap on this link in description given below, you are redirected to this site, the Codeamy.in. Then scroll down. Here you can find two C compilers or C++ compiler. Just scroll down and tap on the download button and tap on install button. And wait for some time. Now after installing, tap on open. The inbuilt libraries and the programs are downloading and installing to your Android phone. Then wait for some seconds. Okay, so you can see the editor is open. Now you can write your code here. Let's an example, like take an example. Terminate with return 0. Okay, you can see your errors here. The line number 5, column number 13, unaccepted semicolon after return type. So you can tap on fix, then automatically your error will be removed. Analyze and show. Here is our output. Then you can tap on this play button for run your program. The program is successfully run. The file has been saved before running. Then tap on this icon to save your program. Then tap on play. Okay, then you tap on the save button, then tap on the this button to compile your program. You can look here, the compilation is finished. Then tap on the run button, and here is your output. Hello world, welcome to Codeamy.in. It will contain, this app contains some inbuilt programs. Firstly, you tap on this projects, then examples. Select your language, C or C++, C for the beginner, and here you find all the programs which is written in C language. Can open a program for Armstrong number. Tap on this, the program is here. Firstly save the program, then tap on the compile finish, then tap on run button. Enter an integer 5353 and tap on the enter number is Armstrong number. So this is all about how to install an online compiler to your Android smartphone. Thank you guys. If you like this video, then tap on subscribe button, hit a like and comment your queries, and please visit once the Codeamy.in, where you can find all the tutorials and beginner questions related to programming. Thank you once again.